Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Here on Rome Tips, we're taking a look at Klook, a leading platform for booking travel experiences, attractions, and activities across the globe. Klook caters to travelers seeking a streamlined way to discover and reserve everything from transportation to essential travel services in destinations worldwide. Whether your interest lies in theme park tickets, immersive guided tours, efficient airport transfers, or discovering unique local activities, Klook streamlines the booking process, offering an extensive selection of options at competitive price points. One of Klook's most impressive features is its comprehensive coverage of experiences spanning Asia, Europe, and the Americas. The platform collaborates with reputable providers, offering everything from skip-the-line access at popular attractions to enriching off-the-beaten-path cultural immersions. You have the flexibility to book activities in advance or while you're on the go, with instant confirmations, making it an ideal solution for both meticulous planners and spontaneous adventurers. A key advantage of Klook is its mobile-friendly booking process. Once booked, the majority of tickets are instantly accessible on your phone via the app, eliminating the hassle of printed vouchers. Furthermore, many experiences offer flexible cancellation policies, providing peace of mind should your travel plans change unexpectedly. Klook also integrates various transportation services, such as airport transfers, convenient rail passes, and car rentals, effectively consolidating your travel needs into a single, user-friendly platform. If your travels take you to a major city, you can even book public transport passes or convenient hop-on hop-off bus tours directly through Klook. Beyond convenience, Klook frequently offers promotions, discounts, and cashback deals, providing additional savings on popular attractions. For users seeking exclusive deals, the platform features flash sales and discounts that can significantly reduce travel costs. Klook also rewards frequent users with a loyalty program, allowing you to earn credits towards future bookings. In conclusion, Klook presents a fantastic platform for travelers seeking a user-friendly and budget-conscious method for booking experiences, attractions, and transportation. It simplifies trip planning, offers excellent deals, and provides a reliable booking experience. If you're in search of reliable and discounted travel bookings, explore the links in the description and discover what Klook can offer for your next adventure.